Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can write a voice label to an NFC tag on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down, and in here tap on accessibility. Next we go down and tap on advanced settings, and then we go down and tap on voice label. Now tap on the record button to record your voice message for the tag. NFC Tag. Now what it does is it's actually record a voice recording and it save it in your voice recorder app. Next you tap on the done button, and then you put the tag at the back of the device like this, and it says voice label written. So I'm just gonna pause that. Now if I place my NFC tag on the device, it should place an audio. So I'm going to choose this one, always. NFC tag. So here. NFC tag. NFC tag. As you can see, whenever I place my NFC tag on the phone, it will now just read out my voice label. NFC tag. And that's it. Now if you're having trouble to write to the NFC tag because it says the NFC tag has already been written by another device, then what you can do is first you need to erase the tag. Now what I do is I download an app. So I'll just type in, I'll look for an app. So NFC Tools, I use that app, and I open that app, and then I tap on other and then erase tag, and here you can just simply erase the tag, and that will allow you to rewrite over the tag. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.